So you have really, really helped me kind of focus in on what my strengths are and what I'm passionate about and how to cultivate that into an offering for people that is authentic for me. So it's been a really great experience and I'm learning a lot, and I've found that I've let go of a lot of the noise that was in my head and it seems to be a little clearer path. And I also appreciate the level of understanding that you offer movement practitioners, because I know that you've lived that, and that's really important to me. So I'm not talking to a business person who doesn't understand what I'm actually doing. You're right in there and you know the language that I'm talking. So that is fantastic for me. You've helped me build my classes that I had in person. I love teaching in person. Like, I get jazzed by that. That's what gives me that energy. And then I can take that excitement over into online work, which is what I'm trying to build right now. I've learned a lot about social media and how to get out there, but also I appreciate that you know where I'm coming from. I don't need to be a phenom, but I need to get out there because I want to have more people coming into my classes. I'm getting more and more people that are reaching out to me, so it's all a plus. Over the years of 26 years, I've seen lots of people that have come to my classes live, but it's been maybe 10, 15 years since I've seen some people. And since we've been working together over the holidays, I was in the post office and in the grocery store, and some people came up and they said, "Hey, you came up on my feed. I love it." And so I laughed and they said, "And we're going to follow you." So that was a plus.
Tell us what the content creation process has been like for you.
Wow, that has been probably my biggest learning. There's so many aspects of that that you've helped me with. And I'm going to say the biggest thing for me with you is that I feel like you're beside me because I want to work in person. I don't want somebody to tell me, "Oh, you can look that up. You can figure out how to do that," because that's what a lot of other businesses or practitioners that coach do that. You've been beside me and you've helped me learn about what lands for people, about the term hooks, about CTA. I'm going, what's that? And how to create something also, which is really important to me, that it's authentic, that I feel like it's representing who I am and in a way that people are going to relate to me, right? So this has been my biggest learning, and just coming to the tail end of a 3-month Instagram makeover course with you, which really has been, I don't want to say life-changing, but the information that has come to me and the independence and the confidence of showing up is so valuable. Like, that is the golden egg here on the marketing. So I really am appreciative of that. If I had to turn back time, I wish that I had invested in you or someone like you, this type of business, because it just thin slices it and let go of a lot of the nonsense or the noise or the distractions. And I wish that I could have done this from the get-go, because it's a clearer path and it's allowed me to learn how to set things up. I used to do one and done. Now it's like continue, continue, continue to show up. I'm really grateful that my friend gave me your name, that made this journey so much more enjoyable, exciting, and it's changing for me. I've had the best year I've had since COVID. So thank you very much, Allison. I appreciate it.